You are welcome everyone to another video tutorial. Today we want to integrate our payments. I want to make a payment integration using PayStack test card. So first and foremost, we are going to install a package called React Native PayStack Web View. So let's go and install that package. So I will go to Google and search for React Native PayStack Web View. React Native PayStack Web View. So I'll search for the one with npm. Check out for. Okay, let me open this one side. Let me open this first. Okay, this is the PayStack documentation, the web view. So let's see. I don't think not this one. Let me use the npm. So let me take the one for npm. That's the node package manager. Okay. So I don't really. Why am I not seeing it in their web view? Okay, let me try the one for Expo before I install that package. So let me go to Expo documentation and see if I can install it. So this is their documentation already from Expo. Expo has it covered for you. So this is how you're going to install it and get it. So what I will basically do, I will install it manually now. So I'll come here. So this is how you to install it. Actually, this is the documentation I will follow. But before doing that, let me come here and install the package called React Native Web PayStack Web View. So I'll come here. I'll open on that set of terminal. For this e-commerce. So npm install React Native. Is it React Native PayStack Web View? PayStack Web View. I hope I got this spelling right. I'm not convinced about the spelling. That's why I need to get it from the node package manager. Installing npm install React Native PayStack. Okay, let me come here and get it here. Okay, this is where this is what's. I need the one with the web view, not this one here. The one with the web view, not React Native style. I need the one with the web view. PayStack web view. Okay, let me just come here and take this one and see. So let's wait for that. So I'll check here. Okay, I think this is it. It's Expo. For Expo application, run Expo install React Native Web View. Expo install React Native Web View. So I'll copy this and install. So this is the right thing. I know I wasn't convinced with this, so I take this guy out. So I'll paste it here. I'll press enter. So we're going to wait for that to install the package. There's the React Native package. So let's wait for a while. Then as it's installing, I'll go to the documentation. You can see the way we are going to use it. This is the way we're going to use it. You can see some of the sample, and they've given us the other way. We're going to import this. So I'm going to import this. Import PayStack from React Native PayStack Web View. So I will come there and paste it at the top or anywhere. So I'll paste it here. I've just pasted that. So I'll come back again. So I'm going to get this PayStack components here. Then I'll use it effectively. So before I use that, I'll need a use ref. I'll need a use ref. This is okay. PayStack. Okay, let me minimize this. So I'm going to use a use ref. So I'll come here and scroll down a little bit. Okay, so I'll come here and I'll say cons PayStack cons PayStack web view. I'm using the web view, so I'm going to do this web view. Sorry, now I'm spelling web view ref equal to use. So there's a React, there's a hook called use ref in React, which I want to use it. Use ref, and it has to be imported. So use ref, and this should be PayStack. PayStack props as a prop. PayStack props. PayStack props dot PayStack ref PayStack ref. Okay, so I think I need to install another package again. So I need to install another package again. So I'll go to, let me go to back to the, okay, this was the window I opened earlier. I think I have to install another package. Let me see if I need to install another package. This is from Expo. I don't think okay. So let's continue. So I have to import this PayStack view, which I think I've done that. Let me check my code. I have to be very careful. Check my code. So let me check that. Okay, I have that's PayStack. So I also need to do this PayStack from the web view. So yeah, I will come here and make reference to PayStack props. These props here, this PayStack props, I have to import it also. So I copy it, I come here and I paste it. Okay, I've just done that. PayStack props from React Native PayStack web view. So let's continue. So I'll go to the documentation also. Let me get the one that is clearer. This one is clear. I think this one is clear. Okay, so I'll copy this. It's a component PayStack. This component, I'll copy it. Sorry, let me copy it from here. Then I'll change some stuff there. I'll copy this. So where do I want to put it? Where do I want to put this? Let's see where we want to put this. So I'll come here, I'll put it, let me put it at the top. Let me put it somewhere after the button. Let me put it somewhere here. So here I'll comment this as PayStack integration. So here I'll say PayStack integration. So PayStack integration. So I'll paste the code here. Already I've imported, this is a component, PayStack component. I've already imported it here. If you look at it, PayStack from React Native PayStack view, it's already there being imported, so that's why I don't need to import it again. So this is what I just copied from the documentation. So let's take it one after the other now. Let's take it one after the other. So the first props I want to pass, PayStack, the key. So here I'll get my key. So before you use PayStack, you must have an account with them. So take note of that. You must have an account with PayStack before you can use PayStack. I already have an account with PayStack, so I'm going to open my account in PayStack so I can get the test key. So I'll just put PayStack. Okay, so you log in. If you have an account with them, you log in. Okay, so I will log in. Okay, this is my dashboard. So if you have an account with them, you should have something like this dashboard. So this is my dashboard. So the next thing you do is to click on this settings. Click on settings. This settings here. Click on this settings. Now when you click on settings, it will take you to this page. So click on API keys and web hooks. API keys and web hooks. I'll be using my test card. I won't be using the live card. The live key, I'll be using the test key, not the live key. So this is my test public key, which I'm going to copy. I'll copy the test public key, copy it, which I've just done. So here where I have your public key, I'll take this public key off and put my test public key. That's my test public key. Then the next thing here is the amount. So remember that we have amounts here. That's a subtotal from the top. Remember we store that as what? Subtotal. The amount here is subtotal. So I will just do that. So they put an amount of 2,500, but I want my own amount to be dynamic. So I'll take away their amount and put mine as subtotal. Okay. So the next one is the billing email. So it's advisable you put your email. So I'm going to put my email or the company's email. So let me just come here and put my email. Okay. For the next thing, you can come here and pass your billing phone number. If you want them to send you a phone number and an alert, you do this billing for mobile. It's actually called billing mobile. Billing mobile equal to, then you put your mobile phone here. So I'll put 08094833549. Okay, okay, that's my phone number. So the next one is to put your name, the billing name. So here you come here and put your billing name. So I'll put my billing name as Ernest. Okay, as Ernest. So another attribute or props you can pass to this is the currency. So what currency? Now, what currency does a country use? Take note that PayStack is not only Nigeria. We also have PayStack Ghana. So I'll put Nigeria is NG. That should be NGN. If I'm not mistaken, Nigeria is NGN. Okay. So we have the uncancel. Uncancel means that what if it is not successful. That means if the payment is not successful, then PayStack will handle the error by themselves, or you can put your own error message. It depends on you. Then on success means if it's successful, then PayStack can handle it for you as success. Else you can put yours. You get that? So auto start, you can put auto start as true, or you can take it off. So yeah, since I'm using the use ref, I will come here and I'll say ref equal to, that's PayStack web view ref. Remember that we'll define that at the top here. PayStack web view ref. Where's that place? PayStack we find out. Let me check. This is it here. And why we initialize this. So I'll copy this and put it somewhere here. The ref. I'll make reference to it here. Okay, I think that is all what I want, or all what I need to do. So I'll save this. Undefined variable, undefined unable to resolve module. So let's see where that module is coming from. Oh, I think I've not reloaded my PayStack. I've not reloaded this. So let me key the server, because I installed a new package. I have to do that. Okay, so I will start my server again. npx expo start. Okay, so let me start the server again and reload my app so that will take effect. Okay, it has started. So let me click here and see. So if I click on the checkout, you can see that nothing is happening. You can see that for yourself. Let me click on it so you can see. Nothing is happening because we've not placed an on-press event on the checkout button. So I have to come here and put the on-press event. So yeah, this one will take in a function, and this function will be your PayStack view ref. This is your PayStack view ref. That's a reference. This one here. So you put it here, you place it there, then .current start transaction, so that when the user click on this, he or she will start a transaction. I getting this from their documentation actually. You understand that? So PayStack view ref .current start transaction. This was gotten from their documentation. So let me save this. Where's my terminal? Okay. So I save it again. So let me reload my so let me test this. So it's not refreshing. So let me refresh the browser. I mean the terminal, sorry, I said the browser. So let me refresh the terminal or reload my app. So yeah, arrow. So I need to reload my app. So let's exercise patience for that to work. Oh, we got an error message. Unable to resolve React Native PayStack WebView from screens details. Okay. There's an error message. Unable to resolve React Native PayStack WebView from screens/details.js. So let's see what the problem is. It's not seeing this, and I keep wondering why it's not seeing it. So let me check my package.json to see if actually we install this properly. Package.json. So let's see if we install the React Native PayStack. Oh, it's not here. Jesus. Wow, I can't find it here. So that means we didn't install that well, because it's not here. It's not in the package.json. So there's no how it will work. We have to install it again. So we are going to stop here now. In our next class, we continue from here. Thanks very much.